Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. I'm back. So guys, let's get into this first DIY. So what you see me doing is stenciling using this dabber on the words meals and memories are made here. And I am putting this on this wooden egg that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree. Now this stencil did come from Walmart. It was on clearance. They had like 3 in a pack for like $1. And I did not realize that this piece had like gaps in the wording. You know how those spacers be in there. Because every time I buy those, I don't like that look, so I have to clean it up. And in this piece, I really didn't put a lot of effort into cleaning it up as I normally would. And so I did have to go back and modify it or add some distressing just to hide some of the imperfections of the transfer of the letters. And you'll also notice that that spoon, you see that spoon right there, as well as that knife and then that rolling pin, didn't come through that well. I should have used a different color of chalk paint. And you know, for this one, it was a Waverly brand chalk paint, which is pretty thick. It just didn't look right. And so I am just sanding down the piece to give it more of a weathered look, and then adding some distressing to it just to camouflage some of the imperfections of the bleed through. And then what you will see me doing, add some boxwood florals to the bottom of this piece at the base. The boxwoods actually came from Walmart. And then you see me outline the whole egg using the jute rope from the Dollar Tree, burn the frays off. And now I am going to make a pocket to put on the front side to cover up where the knife and the spoon was. And I decided to add some ribbon on the side just to really make the pocket pronounced, and add a cute little jute twine bow to put in the center of it. And I figured right here you can, you know, store your dry erase markers or little notes to your family, or you know, little menu items, and you know, just all kind of little cute little things. And then I decided to keep embellishing this piece using these plastic forks and spoon that you could purchase at the Dollar Tree. I did paint the majority of it in black with the little red accents at the handle part. Added this ribbon bow as well as the jute twine bow to the top of it. And then we're moving on to DIY number 2. So in this DIY, I decided to take some of the scrap wood that Uncle T left for me. I don't know if many of you know it or not, but Uncle T has his own woodworking business. It's called Wood Signs and Designs. So he too is into crafting as well as vlogging. And so what I decided to do was just use this piece, add the word love to it. I left the word love in its natural state. This word actually came from Hobby Lobby. And now I'm using some of those little plastic vases or cups or whatever that you find in the party favor section of the Dollar Tree. Painted them in that Waverly brand chalk paint in the color ink. And then I'm adding some Mod Podge to the top of it, and yeah, just to protect the paint. I didn't want the paint to chip, as this piece is being handled. And after that, you'll see where I will be taking some of these greenery stems that I purchased from Temu, and it came in a pack of 5. And now we're moving on to DIY number 3. This is the last DIY in this particular video. I decided to create a riser, a stand, or tray, whatever you want to call it, whatever suits your fancy. In doing so, I noticed that this piece wasn't level, or there wasn't a smooth surface, so I decided just to add a piece of crafting or craft sticks, popsicle sticks, or whatever you want to call it, to join the two pieces together. And then I am painting over it using this, again, Waverly brand chalk paint in the color ink. And I'm not really putting a lot of this paint on there. I'm just giving it a coat so that it matches the other decor. Blow drying it using my heating tool that I purchased from Amazon. And then you will see me distressing it, just getting some of the extra paint that was on the brush. And now I am getting ready to add the the handles to both sides of this piece. And as you can see, I am just cutting it down, and then you'll see me add some half beads just to give it a little more character to either side of the rope. I want to take this time and welcome everyone back to my channel, my new subscribers, to my returning subscribers. I hope you all are having a great day, or had a great day, and I hope that your week is blessed. And I want to publicly say happy Mother's Day to everyone that are mothers on my channel, new mothers, soon to be mothers, and grandmothers, and everyone that act like a mother. Happy Mother's Day. And as you can see, I'm just making sure that these handles are secure. Again, these are faux handles. This piece should not be manipulated like it is welded in there. So guys, here is the reveal. Again, this is something that just came to my head. I wanted to upload it to the channel. Overall, it's a DIY. I think it turned out okay. Again, my favorite piece for tonight would be this one. I think it turned out amazing. It's cute. I love the rusticness of this. I love that the black actually enhances this piece, and the Temu stems were very pretty. Here is the stand without anything on it, and then I have styled it with my 2 frogs with one of the pieces that I created in the last DIY. So if you have yet to check out my channel, please make sure you go ahead and check out some of my older videos. And here's the piece together. And again, guys, if any one of you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. Make sure you liking, sharing, commenting, and make sure you visit me on the next DIY that will be coming up really, really soon this week. Be blessed.